let's see the webcam. It's working. Okay, sound, it's quite okay. Okay, welcome to the crypto transform. So today is 10 September 2017. The time is 3:15 a.m. So good morning, guys. Yesterday I created a page in Facebook, Crypto Transformation, to give you the idea about what is cryptocurrency and what is the biggest technology behind of it. And also I will introduce you some of the investment sites and also mining farms site also to take the advantage of this cryptocurrency basically. So before starting with this explaining that what is this currency is this, let's take an example of our currency and what are the issue we faced with our currency. We all know that on December 2016 demonetizations was happened, and after that we faced lot more issue, and also our financial market also having some trouble. That time the stock markets is going down, and the governments spend a lot of money to generate a new currency due to the black money. Actually they are saying that the black money, okay, I don't want to say anything about that. So government said that there is something is happening in black money, so that's why they have to create a new currency, and these things are happening. Okay, so basically if you think then we are totally controlled by some powerful people. They can take a decision based on their own knowledge, and they can do anything. We saw it, they can do anything actually. If you have a money with you, you know at that time you face lot more issue. Not only you, your family, your relative, everyone faces a lot more issue. So after that, after 1 month, the person is from Iceland, who actually told me to look into this currency and see the technology behind of it. And then after, they also helped me to actually give me some very good investment sites. Okay, and I invested at there also. I'm getting a very good money from it. So what is cryptocurrency? Okay, cryptocurrency is a form of digital money that is designed to be secured and many cases anonymous actually. Okay, basically anonymous and this secured. I will secured because of that it's made of made with cryptography technology, and we all know that on Second World War, this cryptography technology is used for a secured communication. So this technology also used in this currency, so that's why it's called cryptocurrency. And it's just nothing more than that. It's not an asset, it's a money, it's a form of digital money. Okay, it's a currency. People there's a few days back there's a person in US, he actually wants to convert this currency into asset. The reason is this: they can take the advantage of tax. If they convert it into asset, you have to give some tax. But still now the blockchain developer and the Bitcoin developer, they are not agree with that, so still we are in a safe side. Okay, so we'll say this this currency is associated with the internet that uses the cryptography. Basically without internet this currency will not work. Okay, we need to have a internet. And if today any government said that I want to close this currency, I want to stop this currency, I will say that okay, stop internet, then currency will be stopped. No problem with that. But you all know that that is not going to be happen. Okay, so this currency will stay at least forever, I think. Okay. So the thing is that so I told you that it's a currency associated with the internet, and that is uses the cryptography. The process of converting this uh, we can say that the important information, okay, into the almost unbreakable code, okay, to track, purchase and transfer information. Basically what is this, that first cryptocurrency is a Bitcoin, okay, and when we are transferring Bitcoin from one address to another address, basically you need an address basically to transfer this currency from one end to another end with a very small amount of transaction fee. You don't need to go to a bank, you don't need to go to third party anywhere, okay. You can transfer your money from here to the Europe, Germany, US, anywhere in the world, with just few minutes, with a few transaction fee, okay. We all know that if you want to transfer 1 lakh rupees, we need to go to the bank, we need to fill up a form, and then after they will take a transaction fee, and then that will goes, and not going to that transaction is not something is like that instant. That also takes some time, and that time is very much bigger than this cryptocurrency transactions, okay. So this is the limitation, this is the barrier, I think with this third party transactions, the normal transactions, okay. So those things are okay. Let's see what we have. Okay. So we all talk about that what is that what is this digital currency. Third thing is decentralized. Decentralized is reason is that we all know that decentralized means it's not controlled by any government, at least till now nobody is there who is controlled who the peoples that actually doing something like in our country, the demonetization, these things are they are doing. Till now they don't have a control on this currency, they cannot do anything. But there is some information coming out that there is a country, famous country, USA, wants to put some rules on this currency, but still now they are not putting it, okay. They actually wants to I think I told you or not, actually they wants to change this currency into asset basically. If they convert it into asset, then you have to give some tax, and the tax amount they wanting is something around 30%, I think 30 to 35% in a year. But still now we are in the safe side. The developers of the Bitcoin and the blockchain, they are actually not accepting this, okay. So we are on safe side, okay. Let's do it. So the digital currency that is used to make the payments of any value with very minimal fee. It's done on the blockchain, is decentralized ledger kept running by miners who powerful computers current transactions are rewarded in a Bitcoin, okay. What is this? Basically what happened, it's something like you sending some money to somebody, that transactions needs to verify, okay. That transaction needs to verify, otherwise anybody in the world they will do anything, okay. So we call blockchain is basically a DNA of cryptocurrency. Each and every currency have its own blockchain, something is like that. Bitcoin have its own blockchain, Ethereum also a very good cryptocurrency, and my opinion Ethereum and Litecoin both are the famous cryptocurrency in crypto world, and they have a very good amount of we could say that have their own functionality and also own advantage, and right now they are doing great. But still now the Bitcoin is its top, isn't on the top. So what I'm saying is, okay. So when you sending that money to the somebody, that is goes to inside of the blockchain. Blockchain is basically the DNA of the cryptocurrency. That inside a blockchain there is some pools. Inside of pool there are miners like me. Okay, I have some machine. That machine is actually inside of the blockchain. It's running. Okay, when the transaction is coming inside of the blockchain, that machine take the transaction. It opens all the we can say the ledgers, open public ledgers, add this transaction into it. But before that, he checked the firm address, the person who's sending money to somebody. He checks that from the beginning of the transactions, what are the transaction he did, and after that, that person really have a sufficient balance to transfer this amount of money. Okay, so in the open ledger, there's a all the transaction are there. He added this transaction, then there is a something that special things are happen, that is called decentralize. Means after that he just put this copy into every computer in the network, each and every computer in the network. Okay, that all the computers have their own copy of it. So later, if I am a miner, if I am going out of that pool, don't worry, there's other miners also there. There will be verify the transaction next time. Okay, when that person from that person if doing any transaction. Okay, so this is the advantage of decentralized system. So that is it's called a decentralized. Okay, so the first I'd say that Bitcoin was introduced in 2009, but in 2008 there's a we still now it's a very we can say the complicated question is there. Who is Satoshi Nakamoto? Is the Satoshi Nakamoto is the only one person, or is a group of person who made this Bitcoin in 2008? Let's see. The thing is that the information is that something Satoshi Nakamoto, a secretive internet user, invented Bitcoin in 2008 before it went online in 2009. Many attempts to identify a Satoshi have been made without conclusive proof. So it's a difficult question for everybody in this technology, in this crypto world. Who is the inventor of this cryptocurrency? It's a single person. Satoshi Nakamoto is a single person, or it's a group of person who made this currency. Okay, so the person who made it, and we are taking advantage of it. That's all. So basically, whatever thing I explained you, the blockchain. This is just an intro of this blockchain. Later, I will explain you in a very detailed manner that how this blockchain will work with the diagram. So I already told you that it's a decentralized money right now. The people see value in the money free from government control and the fee of bank charges, as well as the blockchain to verify the transaction. And Bitcoin has been seen at a lot of private anonymous transaction. And the thing is that it's a I can say that it's a at the today the problem is that with the Bitcoin is this. Later I will show you how to open a account in a blockchain to take the advantage of this crypto world. and to create a wallet. Okay, to create a wallet you have to give your email ID and I think email ID, that's all. I think email ID you have to give. But with it, when the transaction is going happening, I told you it's a secure transaction. And the second is that it uses the cryptography technology. So the illegal kind of work also happened in this with this currency. Drug dealers and there are so many persons are there who are actually using this technology, and we cannot do anything with that actually, because we already told you that it's a decentralized, so anybody can take the advantage of it. Okay, so this can be happening. We cannot do that. And for the information is that I think we all know that only 21 million of bitcoins can be generated, and last bitcoin will be generated, I think going to generate it year 2140, I think 140 at that year last bitcoin will be generated. And right now the market capital cap is around 16.5 million bitcoin is right now generated. In the last report was I saw that is on April or July something. So 16.5 billion bitcoin is generated, and right now today the limitation is something like that 800 to 2000 of bitcoins is generating each and every day till now. But after 2020 July, the block reward, oh actually I forgot to told you that block, what is it called block. So basically is this is the last thing. What is a block? Block is basically that when this cryptocurrency transactions is happening, the miners who confirmed your transactions, the first miner who confirmed your transaction, he solved some mathematical calculation. Just because of he just completed some solving some mathematical problem with his hash power. Okay, with his hash power. What is hash? I will tell you later. What is a hash? Just for the reminder, just say that remember hash, nothing more than that. Hash. They use their hash power. They solve that problem. This is the algorithm made of SHA-256 algorithm. There's three algorithms right now there. There is SHA-1, and then after SHA-2, and then after SHA-256, I think. Okay, and this is the simplest but strongest algorithm right now in the hash algorithm. So this algorithms solve, thus algorithms have some mathematical problem. Okay, with this algorithm that mathematical problem is solved. So the transaction fee that is doing right now, okay, from person who is sending to another person, so the transaction fee basically it's rewarded with that miner that he confirmed that transaction, so we have to give some money to him. But also after completing that transaction, means after completing that mathematical problem, solving that problem, he actually find it out one block. Block is there, it's a, you can say that it's a pool, it's a kind of pool where this transaction is coming into it, and he then after this this confirmation is completing with these algorithms. When the problem is solved, the new block is come into it, means new blocks they are created. Okay, each and every time the problem is solved. Okay, not only one problem, there's so many problems solved, but the person who come first to solve that problem, he is rewarded with some Bitcoin because he find it out a new block. Okay, so if somebody who find it out a new block, he rewarded with another Bitcoin. So this is the way of this blockchain technology work. Okay, blockchain, it's the DNA. It's the DNA of cryptocurrency. Each and right now there is so many cryptocurrencies are there, but my top 10 cryptocurrencies are like that: Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, later I will tell you what is Bitcoin Cash. Bitcoin Cash is basically it's a Bitcoin but with a new form. Okay, Bitcoin Cash. Third is Ethereum, my favorite one, Ethereum. Then we have a Litecoin, we have a Dashcoin, we have a Monero, Monero, we have Neo, Omisogo, and there are so many black coins. There are so many coins are there. I think in last time when I saw in what time is that? Basically on May, June, July, May or June something time. There is a 900 coins, crypto coins are there, and out of means after that there is a so many ICO also there. ICO, it's called initial coin offering. Okay, I will also make a video on that what is a ICO. But now it's right now it's already this is a 22 minutes of video, so I'm pausing for now. Okay, I hope that you will understand what is a cryptocurrency and what is the technology behind of it. Later we will day by day we will explore a lot of things. Okay, especially the blockchains, the hashing algorithms. These things I will explain you. They are very complicated things, but I will make it much more simple to explain you. Okay, so that's all from my end. If I'm wrong in any point, please point at me. Okay, you can drop your message in a comment section, and we all learning, we all learners, we all learning it from each other. So if you have any extra information with you, please share with us. It's a community. I actually thought that it's a community. It's a just startup of the cryptocurrency, and later hopefully it's a first phase, and later we will be means making it much bigger. Okay, so that's done, guys, and good morning to all of you, and good night for me. So crypto transformation rocks. Okay, so